next point in the straight line is finance pre-approval. Now consider we haven't even started talking about trying to find the best investment yet. All these steps are required to be done and in place before you even think about buying a property. So understanding what's called a BC, or your borrowing capacity, is one of the first things you need to do. So to understand your borrowing capacity, and banks vary and have different document requirements. You can get an initial borrowing capacity check done, and then you can get a firmed up one by providing more information. Now take into account, finance pre-approval is not an unconditional offer for finance from the bank. This is just giving you an idea of what you can borrow, and that would then in turn give you an idea of what you can go out and spend on property. So banks differ, but here's the main documents you'll need for pre-approval. Your most recent pay summary, 3 recent pay slips if you pay at PAYG, or the last 2 years of your finance if you're in business, so your financials, ATO notice of assessment if you're self-employed. You'll need a current statement of debt facilities, home loan, personal loans, credit cards. If you still have enough to have a credit card, use a debit card instead. Be clear here, a lot of 20-year-olds, usually males, stupid males, make this mistake. And I've seen this a couple of times over the years. It sounds funny, but it's not. Sometimes when young 25-year-old males, for example, put money into their friend's account, they write something stupid in the subject line like stripper. This is really stupid because you will get denied by a bank if you have that sort of thing on your statement. So don't be stupid with your friends, young guys, and have some sense about you. But understand, and I'm explaining this because this is the level that the banks go to. They look line by line on what you've spent over time. Rental statements or lease agreements for current investment properties. You'll need rate notices for each of the properties you own, driver's license, birth certificates, and at the time of writing, 3 months of your everyday transactions, which we just discussed. Remember to check equifax.com.au, so that's equifax.com.au for your credit history. Ensure you've got a clean credit history. Once again, this is a finance pre-approval. It's not a conditional approval, but there's a check sheet in my 4-year-old property investor that will keep you safe. Good luck, guys.